プリム、プリニーチャンネル。チャンネル登録よろしくね。Hello, everyone.
Today, let's learn about animals.
You'll hear an animal sound. Can you guess what it is?
Stay with us until the end. What animal's sound is this? Which animal makes this sound? 1. Cow. 2. Rabbit. 3. Dog. Cow. Rabbit. Dog.
Which one? The animal that goes woof woof is?
The correct answer is dog.
Yay!
Did you get it right? Now, let's make a sentence with the word dog. This dog is small. 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 This dog is big. 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 Dogs are fast. 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 Dogs are playful. 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 Dogs are friendly. 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 We love dogs. We love dogs. We love dogs. We love dogs. We love dogs.
Quiz time. Now, let's see what we learned.
What words fit? The correct answers are: this dog is small. What words fit? The correct answers are: this dog is big. What words fit? The correct answers are: dogs are fast. What words fit? The correct answers are: dogs are playful. What words fit? The correct answers are: dogs are friendly. What words fit? The correct answers are, we love dogs.
We learned a lot today.
Let's learn together again.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.
If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more fun.